Check this out. We're going to transform this eyesore into something that matches our decor and makes it easier to clean. My wife and I designed the TapCap to cover existing ugly bathroom valves. This gives people the ability to improve the looks and match their bathroom decor without shutting off the water. Just mark the pipe cover and trim to length using the diamond saw that's included. Alternatively, a hacksaw with a fine-toothed blade will also work. After cutting the pipe cover, just slide the two parts over the pipe and the wall plate. The TapCap works with or without a wall plate. TapCap covers any angled wall valve, including quarter-turn valves with a smaller handle. Next, snap the valve cover over the valve. Then rotate the locking metal ring to lock everything in place. Finally, connect the magnetic handle cover over the handle. This easy decor upgrade comes in multiple finishes to match any bathroom decor. Plus, TapCap is functional. It can give you a little more leverage when you're shutting off the water in the future. TapCap will not work with valves that are straight and come from the floor. To purchase your TapCap decorative valve cover, please visit top10newproducts.com for more details. Please like and share our video, and subscribe to our channel for more plumbing tips and tricks.